Listen and read. Lila and Betty are friends, but they are very different. Lila likes to run in the park and swim. She's very active. She also likes to talk. Her mother says, "Oh, Lila, you're so talkative." On the other hand, Betty is a quiet person. She does not like running or swimming. She enjoys reading. She especially loves stories about other countries. Listen and read.
I'm Layla. And I'm Betty. We are friends. We are very different. I'm an active person. I like to run in the park and swim. But I think I'm a quiet person. I don't like running or swimming. I like to talk. My mother says, "Oh, Layla, you are so talkative." I like to read books. I especially like stories about other countries. What does Layla like to do? What does Betty like to do?
Read again. Which picture shows Lila? Which picture
Betty.
shows Betty? Write
Lila.
the correct name under each picture.
Now, do activity B from your textbook.
Read section A again. Then drag and drop the correct mango in the correct basket. Group word. Read the adjectives. Use the adjectives to make sentences about people you know. Click on the pictures to see same example sentence uses the adjectives.
My brother is very kind. My
He
friend
always helps
Betty
people.
is very quiet. She doesn't talk much. My friend Shima is talkative. She likes to talk a lot.